Hi, I'm Kylee Peña, Principal Product Marketing Manager at Adobe. This video will help you understand the new color controls and color mode inside of Premiere. Color mode's core controls are designed to be fast, intuitive, and expressive. These are called adjustments. Contrast increases the separation between light and dark by dragging up and down. But what makes this different is pivot. As I move the pivot left and right, I'm deciding where that contrast happens. Exposure brightens or darkens the image. And horizontally, I can move the black point. So I'm really shaping the image, not just adjusting it. Temperature controls warmth and coolness. I can go warmer if I drag up, and cooler if I drag down. And you can tell on the vector scope which temperature I'm heading toward, the warmer or the cooler. Or I can adjust left and right for tint if I want a little magenta or a little bit more green. These are designed to feel more natural, like adjusting light, not just numbers. You can see as I adjust the balance here, the vector scope changes to show where the colors are landing. Same with saturation. I have not very many colors and lots of colors. Now, instead of impacting the whole image, I can target specific tonal ranges down here. I can just choose highlights, shadows, or add my own zone. Once I've clicked on highlights, then I'm only impacting the saturation of the brightest parts of the image, for example. Now let's look at the color shift tools. Color mode automatically detects dominant colors, so you can adjust them independently. I can click on a color and just adjust it directly, or I can add my own. So say I want to make this greenish phone, maybe just a little bit more green, I can use the hue shift. And if I want to make it a little bit more poppy, I will click on the saturation shift and bring up the saturation just a tiny, tiny bit. Or I can impact the range of colors that I'm working on by dragging left to right. And with texture, I can see a texture map, so I can increase or decrease the texture and I can see exactly what I'm doing. Same with sharpness. And these adjustments can be added at the clip level, the sequence level, or to a selection or a mask. These controls are powerful, but they're also meant to be easily understood.